what's up YouTube? I'm Aaron and you're now tuned in to another episode of Food with Moon. Today I'll be cooking another special dish that I grew up on. Very basic, as you can see the only two ingredients are kimchi and spam. If you guessed right, it is Kimchi-Jjigae. If you don't know what Kimchi-Jjigae is, it translates to kimchi stew and it's a staple meal in Korea and in the Korean culture. I don't have the formal recipe. It is my family's recipe, so there's gonna be a lot of eyeballing, no measurements, and a lot of taste testing. So bear with me, follow the recipe at home. Let's get our cook on. So step one is get your kimchi ready. So I have my kimchi here, which has been fermenting for about a week in my fridge. We're gonna put this into the pot. I put the kimchi in the pot, and I usually use the kimchi juice to give it a little bit more richer taste. I don't have the exact measurement, but I put enough to cover the kimchi, just like this. Now, while that's getting ready to cook, let's prep the spam. So you could honestly put any meat in your kimchi-jjigae. I just grew up on spam and that's what I love. We're gonna cut this however you want, but you just wanna make sure you don't cut it too thick or too thin. If you cut it too thin, the spam starts breaking apart and it's not that appealing. If it's too thick, it just doesn't really taste that good. So the cool thing about kimchi-jjigae is that's really easy. So since I got my spam ready, I'm gonna put it into the pot once the kimchi starts boiling. Ooh, so it's boiling. It smells really good right now. I am going to add a little bit more ingredients in here. I'm gonna add a little bit of black pepper. Add some chili flakes. And surprisingly, in my family's recipe, we add olive oil. I'm gonna stir.
The pepper.
Yeah, me too. I was holding my sneeze. Alright, once you got that good stir, we're gonna cover the lid again, let it boil for another 5 minutes. I'm kind of excited how it's gonna turn out because I never cooked kimchi-jjigae, and this is my first time cooking it, and it's on camera. All right, so it's been 5 minutes. I'm gonna open the lid. Damn! I'm not gonna lie, it smells amazing. So now the next step, I'm gonna add 2 cups of water. This is my first cup. Side note, you could add more water depending on how many people are gonna eat this. 2 cups generally works for us. After that, I'm gonna add the spam. Now it's time to stir. Spread out the spam best you can. Oh my God, I'm getting so hungry just doing this. Now we're gonna cover the lid back and let it boil for 10 more minutes. I'm excited because just opening that, it smells so good. I'm confident it's gonna come out fantastic. All right, it's only been like 6 minutes since it's been boiling, but it smells so good. I wanna take a little sneak peek, so come on, take a look. Oh. I'm so excited. I'm so hungry. Whip it up, whip it up, whip it up, whip it up, whip it up. Ooh, it's been 10 minutes. I'm gonna stir it up. Man, this smells really good. Let me give it a little taste test. Oh shoot, that's good. You're lying. Try it.
Wait.
It needs to cook a little bit more.
Yeah, it tastes good though.
It's good, but I think I'm gonna boil it for another 5 minutes. All right, so I think it's about that time to check up on it and eat it. Come on. Wow. This looks ready to serve. What you guys think? Yep, I think yes too. Damn. Alright, so I got the finished product here. I'm super excited. I'm gonna actually try it out for you guys, and I'll give you the honest review. Oh my god. Okay. This is money. I'll do this, I'll show you guys. Woo! Oh, this is so nostalgic because I grew up on this. For my first time, it's not that bad. It's actually really good. Tastes like someone else made it. Can't ask for more. I actually surprised myself. And thanks to you guys and the feedback I got from the dumpling video, I actually want to cook more on this channel. Oh, that's really good. Alright, this is what I used to do when I was a kid. So good. Perfect quarantine meal to work with what you got at home. I'm gonna enjoy my dinner. Tune in next week. Peace. See you guys next week.